nearly 7,000 square foot lot in Northeast Heights, Albuquerque, 4-bed, 2-bath, 418 square feet with refrigerated air. Fireplace living, dual suite flexibility, a covered patio, enclosed backyard, and a kitchen that steals the scene. Let's go walk it. We're gonna be starting with the front yard. Look at this extra wide driveway. You have enough space for 3 rows of cars, an RV parking over there if you wish. The nice front backyard curb appeal is amazing with the fresh whitewash in the front. And one of my favorite parts about this is the patio that you walk up to. It's just incredible and really comforting and inviting, but this one has that wonderful opportunity. And you can look up and see the clear blue sky. I'm seeing the clouds go by. Walking into the house, you're immediately welcomed by the laminate flooring throughout the home. But right as you go off to the right, before we go into the special treat over there, you get to step foot into the living area. I love the living area because you have a vaulted ceiling that goes up, but you have shelves that flank either side of this fireplace. And the fireplace in itself is a statement piece for rest. When I just sit down in this living room and enjoy this space, it sends that message that you want at home, where this is a place to decompress, to feel comfort. You look up and there's also a skylight, watch the clouds go by and just enjoy this space. Stepping on out of the living room, you're gonna go right into this amazing kitchen. The kitchen's been fully renovated. You have granite countertops throughout with a full high quality cabinetry aligned throughout the entire kitchen. A nice white shaker style cabinet. You have fresh appliances in this kitchen. One of my favorites is the stainless steel refrigerator. And then coming to the island, you have a nice Whirlpool dishwasher with a stainless steel undermount sink. You look out onto the dining area right alongside the backyard. It's well positioned. Now, before we get to that backyard, let's go look at some of the bedrooms and bathrooms. First, starting off with the washroom. You have an oversized washroom with plenty of shelving for pantry space. And you step into one of the dual en-suites. Now, this one is on this side of the home, separate from the other 3 bedrooms with its own entryway. Walking into the primary bedroom, you're immediately welcomed by the 2 windows that are on either side, letting plenty of light in. The bathroom has been updated and renovated. Countertops in here as well. The hallway bathroom is gonna have that similar design. Don't forget, this home is refrigerated air and temperature controlled by a Nest thermostat. And then you have the backyard right alongside the dining area. I thought it was just well positioned where you step right out onto this inviting backyard. Covered patio, really comforting environment, and really extends out this social environment right here. The grass is gonna green up really nice in the spring. You have skyrocket junipers that line the backside. You have 2 sheds as well. One on either side for additional storage, and you can also just appreciate the abundance of sky that you can see from here. Really plentiful. Thank you guys for coming out today and enjoying this home. If you have any questions about this house, please feel free to reach out to us. We'll put the information on the screen. You take care and God bless.